Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll talk about Florida emergency flood damage repair service. So guys, let's start. It's easy to think that once the flood waters have receded, you are in the clear. However, depending on the type of flood, you could still be at risk of developing mold growth or having other problems with your property due to standing water in your property. That's why it's essential to call a specialized flood damage restoration service as soon as possible to keep your home safe from further damage. Benefits of calling emergency water extraction and flood repair service. Flood waters are unstable and can rise rapidly, making it extremely difficult to extract people from their homes on foot. Additionally, flood waters have a high water content, making them muddy and nearly impossible to see through or walk in. For these reasons, you must enlist a professional team of specialists to help extract you from your home or business should flood ever occur. Regularly, DRT can conduct repairs or any damaged property caused by flooding, such as mold damage caused by standing water. We also provide emergency water extraction and flood repair service along with emergency water damage restorations with and flood damage cleanup. Whatever service you need after a disaster, our professional technicians can help at a convenient time for you. What to do before professional flood service arrive? After a flood, it's the best to evaluate all values out of your home as soon as possible. If you don't already have flood insurance, now would be an excellent time to consider it. Take pictures and document everything you have lost before calling for help. This will speed up any claims that need to be fielded.